Hello, in the next few minutes, we're going to be exploring how we give and receive feedback using a simple model that makes it easy for us to focus on the behavior, not the person. Sometimes we hear the terms positive feedback or negative feedback. Well, let me be clear here. There is no positive, no negative. Feedback is just feedback. Now, we all know the benefits of feedback. It's a chance to look in the mirror, see ourselves as others see us. It's an opportunity to stimulate growth and development. And it's a chance to build confidence when we discover that others see strengths in us that we were unaware of. Here's a simple model, the AID model. You can use it in many different ways to give feedback, to encourage reflection and self-feedback, and also to seek feedback from others. Let's give it a spin. The A of the model stands for action. What was the behavior that you observed? Now, this could be anything that the person did or anything that the person said. You can start the feedback conversation by saying something like, what I noticed was you did blah, blah, blah. And this keeps it really factual and prevents it from being personal. The I of the model stands for impact. Now, this is the bit that often gets missed with feedback and can be really powerful for learners. You could say something like, that's important because XYZ. The D of the model stands for do, different, or maybe develop. You can possibly offer some suggestions here. Next time, you could consider doing 1, 2, or 3. You can flip the model to stimulate self-feedback, and that could sound something like, specifically, what was your part in that activity? So you're really getting people to reflect. What impact did that activity have? What was your learning? And or what will you do differently next time? You'll notice there's a lot of what questions here. If you're seeking feedback, perhaps you could try, what did you notice about my performance, my behavior, my contribution? And what impact did that have for you, for me, for the audience, whatever's appropriate? What suggestions do you have for me for next time? A bit of a top tip here as well. Remember to let the person know in advance that you plan to ask them for feedback, and this will give them a chance to notice, make some notes, and be prepared. Otherwise, they might be daydreaming, writing their grocery list, etc., or just something else. If you feel that they're not giving you enough detail, you can use the AID model again to drill down and seek clarity. So you could continue to ask, what specifically did you notice me doing? What impact did it have? And what suggestions do you have for next time? Remember, feedback is evidencing behavior through observed action. So that's what someone did, what someone said, the impact it had, and what you suggest for next time. It's simple. So I've noticed that you've watched my short video, and that means that you're now able to give and seek feedback using the AID model. So I suggest that you continue giving people feedback and keep seeking feedback as well to support their development and also yours. Thank you.